Bro, what are you?
He's a Muslim combine.
Bro, dude, I can't get in. I can't get in. Alright, there you go.
Look at this.
Alright.
He's a Muslim mythical.
Allahu Akbar.
What?
There's a virus outside.
There's a virus? What kind of virus?
Yes. It turns these people into green monkeys. Guys, should we prepare for anything else?
Okay, stop
Bro,
with this
this game is not
imaging
that
voice
serious.
acting, bro. Stop with this
Mr. White Boy, can you stand in front of the train?
Okay, stop with the acting. Okay, acting's over.
Alright,
Let's
fine.
play. God.
Next, America, here we come. Guys on the
Guys,
train.
bad news. We're out of fuel.
We're out of fuel?
Yeah.
Gosh darn it. We need to sacrifice a black man.
Hey,
Yeah, bye.
wait!
Look.
Hello, Dracula.
I'm over to such a
Baba
I'm in
Booey.
blood, I'm in blood.
Thanks, bro.
Wait, I heard that newspaper can be used as fuel.
You can't grab it, but you can store it and then put it in
Yeah,
the fire.
he's really fat. You can't store him either.
Yoink!
I really, dude, I hate this game, bro. This game scammed me. I thought that was a house. That's just a big rock.
We have a little bit of fuel.
I actually hate this game, bro.
I'm over here, guys, I'm over here.
I see him! He's a little white guy.
He's so far, bro.
Guys, wait for me. Wait, it's that one Family Guy scene.
Alright, we're
where
out.
they're trying
We're
to
out of
catch
fuel.
the train. Aw.
We're out of fuel.
It's that one
already.
Family Guy scene where they're trying to catch the train.
The only way is to push the train like real man.
Okay, let's try, guys.
Try pushing it.
Wait, it's working actually. Oh my god. Did you do for it? It's actually working.
It's not, bro.
Wait, it's actually.
It's like moving by 1 inch.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! I shit myself because I'm pushed.
Let me in.
Just don't. It's much safer in here. I'm using the
Dude,
teapots.
We need this.
Stop pushing me out. Look at me, I'm dragging it.
Bro, can
Look.
you not use the bandage, bro? Dude, what are you doing?
Look at me.
Spy! You stupid! That's not gonna work!
Yes.
Bro, use the bandage, bro! Use the stupid fucking bandage, bro! Do you not know how to do this?
Ah, there you go.
Okay, there you go.
What are y'all doing?
We're playing
I'm
Dead
recording
Rails. Yeah, cut that out.
Yeah, cut that out, bro.
Pablo ruined the scene. Pablo ruined the traumatic scene.
Yeah, bro.
No, bro, I was just wondering what was happening, bro. I was just curious.
Dude, let me place this correctly. Let me place it. Stop moving.
Okay. All right. Place it, Will. Place
I don't
it.
have a self
God
defense
damn it! You
weapon.
placed it. All
Oh
right.
my god.
I don't have a self defense
Oh
weapon.
my god.
Bro,
All right, fine. I'm stuck on the train.
I know, Spy,
Wait.
you're conducting.
And the last huge
in the
thing that we can use.
we're in the 1900s.
Yes.
No, we're in the we're in the 1900s. We're
Dude,
eight, we're
you have
in
to
eight-
literally happen in the 1900s, bro. What are you talking about?
Oh, really? Oh my god, wait, Spy's right! Spy is right, bro! Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Can you rhyme orange with banana? Okay.
Oh!
It's a
Dude,
normal
are
night.
you
It's
serious?
a blood moon. It's a normal night.
Where are you?
Look at
Wait.
You were right.
these
Wait!
I miss having
Baba Booey.
with Bart Simpson. It's been 5
I'm
years.
recording this right now.
Wait, look what this. No.
Dude!
Try it.
Imagine
Try
you're
it.
gonna
Try
fall
it.
off.
Try
No,
it.
I don't want it.
Glitch, try it. You're not gonna fall.
Okay. I just don't do it.
Look. Do it.
What?
You jump.
I
That's
just
it.
fell! I just fell!
On-screen
Hi
keyboard.
guys, you wanna go on here? Aw, you don't? Oh, that's sad.
No, we can,
yeah,
but we
it's
can.
not-
Let's go, let's go,
Move!
Get away from my train! I wanna hit the 30 kilometer. I'm gonna stop right at 30 kilometers.
But you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. Come on. Just a bit more. A bit more.
Osama bin more.
A bit more.
Osama
A
bin more.
bit more.
Osama
A
bin
bit
more.
more.
Osama
A bit
bin
more.
more.
No, don't go. No, no, stop,
Don't
stop,
go out
stop.
there! Don't go out
Dude,
there!
30 kilometers.
Wait, one more. 4 more. Come on.
Stop, dude.
Come
We
on.
can't do this. We can't do this, but we'll die.
Yay! Let's go. Let's go. 30 kilometers.
Phone is ringing.
Mine, mine,
Whose phone is ringing?
mine, it's mine,
Whose phone is ringing?
mine.
This actually looks so. This looks so tough, bro.
This
This
looks so
looks like-
tough on
like-
one side.
Look at this side though. Look at this side.
I know, it looks so cool, and then the other side.
Yeah, this is what's on the other side. We're not doing this for looks, guys. We're doing this for protection. We don't have to.
Exactly, bro. That's why we need more barbed wire. This bro, this is so useless.
Dude, you're blocking my shot, Sam. Bro, dude, he used a vase to block my bullets, bro. Screw you, Sam.
All right, hurry, go.
You just made me waste like 5 bullets or 4. Freaking!
What is happening with it? What's happening with it?
Okay. Bye-bye.
There's a lot of you're right.
Oh, one of them got stuck.
Yeah, I'll show you. Ow! He's got me to the wall.
Dude, help! Please.
I can't do anything!
run,
I can't
run,
do anything!
run,
I can't run! I can't run!
Oh, God.
I can't run.
What happened?
It's not. Are you serious? Alright, well, that was fun, I guess.
That's a wrap.
Guys, thank you for watching this video.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Let's go. Let's all run together. Let's